Hello great people, wonderful to meet you again. This video will help us to learn the use of HLOOKUP in MS Excel. The most common function called HLOOKUP assists in extracting the necessary information from horizontal data. Now take a look at this data which is presented horizontally. Consequently, we will use the HLOOKUP function. If the information was provided vertically, as in this case, VLOOKUP must be used. Our dataset is divided into two portions. The first table contains student roll number, name, class, and last one column is section that need to be filled out. And second table consists of roll number and section. We will take the section number from this table. So simply we start with the typing of formula. Type is equal to, then HLOOKUP, give search term that must be unique, and our search term is roll number cell reference, that is B4. Then comma, give table range from where we have to collect the data, and freeze this range by putting the $sign, comma, and third is row number which we have to pull the required information, and lastly type 0 for exact match and bracket close and press enter and drag down the formula. Thus outcome is shown that we have extracted section number according to student roll number. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.